Don't leave home without the Imperial Guard. Spiky Bits. Welcome back, Hobby Maniacs. I'm Rob Baer from SpikyBits.com. We're on the scene at Dark Bunny Creative Studio. I'm here with Phil. What's up, Phil?
How you doing, guys?
This is a pretty dope army here. You got got some really cool looking Cadian right here. The new poster children of CPs everywhere, right?
Absolutely. Well, we'll see now with meta's changing as always.
Oh
it's
yeah.
Completely different in another week or two, but yeah, these guys are good at filling out your CP requirement for sure.
At least a few of them. You could take a couple of them Vigilists too. It looks like you got some Vigilizer. You can take the Vigilizer battle cannon and all that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's two of them. Two Vigilists. I guess you got one for artillery and then one for the tanks with the battle cannons and all that stuff. So you can go either way with these. All the infantry that you will need to at least get started, right? You already need like 1,000 infantry, but
oh yeah,
it's a good start, I'd say. Healthy
30 to 60. Just check that box right off.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So tell me about this army. It looks like 2,500 points.
Yeah, I'm guessing somewhere around 2,200 to 2,500. Obviously, depending on how you load it out.
Right.
These are kitted out with some of those plasma guns and las cams and all the battle tanks, so those will eat up some points for sure. And of course, you've got the famous Bane Blade. So,
oh yeah.
He likes to suck up them points. But overall, roughly 2,500 points. And you've got your 4 10-man infantry squads. We got the Casterkins, I think
it's Casterkins.
Yeah, I always forget.
I just call them stormtroopers.
Yeah, they're basically scions now. Unfortunately, they no longer have those special rules, but
they are.
They do look pretty sweet. Nice heavy-duty metal models. It's fun to work on those once in a while.
I haven't seen those in years.
But this was a fully adept army. So adept is our second tier painting.
What's the top? Epic.
Epic is our top. And then we have vanilla is our base level. So if you're looking to do something, an army on a budget, it's our go-to choice for that. But adept adds in some more of those extra refined techniques and things. We got some edge highlighting, some extra weathering on here. Yeah,
let's take a look at this Lehman Rust. So it looks like you got some. So I see the edge highlighting. You got what? You got some weathering on the treads, the barrel.
Yeah, pigments and then some sponging effects and things to add in some like beat up metals and looks like the paint's been chipped off a bit.
Got the decal action.
Yeah, a few decals in there. Those are always hard to figure out, right?
Yeah.
Like, there's so many different options, but
they look good.
Got some of those in there, and then all the characters right up there front and center. So I can't remember. You got missionary, priest. You got the Baneblade colonel, I think, or commander, engine seer, master of ordnance, and
I think there's an astropath, maybe.
Yeah.
Is that what that dude is?
Astropath.
Yeah.
I think I'm missing that one guy in the center. I can't remember what his name is. Or some like master of the. I don't know, something weird.
Master of the fleet. Ordnance.
Yeah.
Pew pew lasers.
Yep.
Just making up titles. And you got some psychers over here.
Yeah, the weird Bane psychers. They're definitely a bit creepy, but actually, they're pretty cool. I like them. They're little weird faces, but they look a little confused. Clearly focusing too much on the psychic. They can't really.
Oh yeah. Nah, these all look good. Even the line troopers got all edge highlights and stuff, like you were saying. They're looking in close out. This is pretty dope. So yeah, I think this is a very cool looking army. And like you said, the meta changes all the time, but you always need some dope Imperial Guard for something.
Sure. And that flyer, I love that flyer.
Yeah, that's a cool kit.
Looking. They have the coolest flyers, I think, probably in the game.
Them and the Vulture, yeah.
Yeah, they actually feel like the flyers that fit the army. They're the right size. Guys could actually fit inside of that thing. Not like any other transport where it's obviously not the right size.
Yeah. So especially not with primaries. So yeah, this all looks dope. So where can they check you out at? Dark Bunny Creatives on
.com for our website, and then Dark Bunny Creatives on Facebook and on Instagram. Instagram and Facebook we post daily, so you can check out new content pretty much every single day. And you can give us a follow there.